Limekilns is a sleepy coastal village upon the north shores of the Firth of Forth with a population of around 1,500. The village is located 3 miles southwest of Dunfermline with beautiful sandy beaches and uninterrupted panoramic views towards the Lothians, the Pentlands and the Forth estuary. Historically, Limekilns dates back to the 14th century. The name Limekilns is synonymous to the village origins because limestone was originally burnt here to produce mortar for stone buildings and farming improvements. The remains of these huge kilns, built into the cliff face over 200 years ago, still exist today. The harbour at Limekilns was used for exporting lime, salt and coal, as well as importing wine, wood and glassware. Brucehaven Harbour was later developed especially for the coal trade.
No, well, this is just opened, the Sundial Cafe just opened last week, so it's a great little place as you can see, and there's a couple of other cafes in the village and there's a couple of pubs, and they all tend to do lunches which are very popular, and people from Dunfermline and further afield come in for the food during the day. And there's also great walks in the village. You can go up through the Edinburgh's estate up the back. There's a graveyard along the shore road, and there's the beach as well, so it's great for dog walking or having your kids out there on a sunny day at least. And then there's a great park as well up the back as well, so it's been a great place to live. I've lived here for about 13 years, and it's a good place for commuting to Edinburgh or Glasgow as well. So there's trains, or there's the bridge, so there's good transport links as well, so it's a good place to stay.
With its natural harbour, it's no surprise that Limekilns was once a thriving fishing village. This beautiful harbour setting is now home to many private yachts and motorboats moored at Brucehaven Harbour and Limekilns Pier. The popular Forth Cruising Club for sailing and cruising has around 90 members and 60 boats, and has facilities of every kind, including winter storage for the sailing enthusiast. Other social facilities include a tennis club, bowling club and a popular park with children play area. The local pubs and shops offer eating facilities, conveniences and all the charm you would expect in a small thriving village. There is an excellent children's nursery and primary school.
Drove past it and stopped one time, so we knew what it was. I remember when we seen that house was for sale here, we kind of had an idea where it was because we'd only visited once, and we liked it a lot. And then when we did buy a house here and moved here, the first 2 years it actually felt like you were on holiday because you're staying in the seaside, so that was really lovely. And it just got better and better all the time. It's a really friendly place. I've never felt like an outsider here, and you do say hello to people on the street, so it's really nice and friendly.
The Fife Coastal Path is one of Scotland's greatest nature trails, passing through both historical and natural landscapes. It runs from the Forth estuary in the south to the Tay estuary in the north, and stretches for 117 miles, running through Limekilns with 50 welcome ports along the way. For the climbing enthusiast, Limekilns has its very own crag, and there are 2 limestone blocks surrounded by beautiful woodland setting with breathtaking views towards the Forth estuary. Limekilns, brought to you by McEwan Fraser Legal.